Hey guys, welcome to February's Geek Gear. This looks like it's going to be the new look for the box now, which is, you know, not a lot of effort has gone into it compared to the other boxes that they used to look like, but it's handmade with love. Geek Gear. Still got the logo with the rocket and classic, Geek Gear Classic, but it's just a plain box now, so let's open it up and see what's inside. There's no strippy tab thing now. It comes in a bag and it's like this and it's already open, so let's see what's inside. Hopefully there's still some decent stuff, because one thing I liked about Geek Gear at one point was that you got quirky items, pillow, you know, cushion covers, yeah, just quirky items, ties, things like that. Let's see if I can actually opening it at the wrong end. There. Well, there's a hell of a lot of card in it. What's that about? That's just gonna make a mess. So let's start with this. So first up is a Geek Gear Dragon Egg Bath Bomb. That's that side. I'm not sure what this is. A Dragon Egg Bath Bomb, obviously. Game of Thrones, maybe? Game of Thrones style. Well, that looks terrible. That's just crumbling apart. What the hell is that meant to be? A Dragon Egg Bath Bomb. Well, that's pretty shit, to be honest. Not impressed with that. We've got a bag and half of it's come out in the bag. Half of it's come out in the bag and it's all leaking. I mean, the box, pretty decent. The box looks nice, but yeah, Dragon Egg Bath Bomb. Not very impressive. Next up is the leaflet. I'll check that out soon. Feels like a couple of t-shirts in here, so let's check this one out first. This one's nice. It's a retro gaming t-shirt, and you've got Super Mario, the Pac-Man Ghosts with Pac-Man in the middle, Donkey Kong. Is that Link from Zelda? Then a load of like Pac-Man and Game Score and stuff. That's a nice t-shirt. We got one like this last month in similar colours. It was an Alien versus Predator one. But yeah, that's decent. It also feels like there's another t-shirt in here. Which it is. It's also Guild and Soft Style. And it's a Joker t-shirt. Heath Ledger's Joker. Which is an okay t-shirt. Not the best t-shirt I've seen. Not the best Joker t-shirt I've seen, but it's okay. Nice thick t-shirt. So, what else? Let's do one of these. It's a limited edition Universal Monsters pin badge set. This is limited to 9,995 worldwide. Each pin badge is individually numbered. It's officially by Universal and something called Iron Gut Collectibles. And on this, you've got Frankenstein's monster and the mummy. These actually do look like nice pins, to be fair. Not something I'd personally buy, but they do look like nice pins. So, yeah, next up, should be looking better, you can't help it. It's one of those coins that seems to be in every box now, and it's a Sea of Thieves coin. Try not to get any glare on it, which is hard. Sea of Thieves. Not had one of these for a while because I've not got them in Zavvi boxes, Z boxes a lot. But I stopped getting those. Let's see if I can get into this. And let's have a look at what the coin's like. It's a nice gold coin. What's it say? It says Pirates for All Eternity. So you've got the logo there, Sea of Thieves logo. It's quite nice. And then the pirate. Try not to get the reflection of the camera in, or the sunlight. It's hard, but there. It's a nice badge, but you know, it's not really something that I collect. I have got a few badges. I did keep the ones that I got from the Z boxes, Z boxes, but you know, it's not something that I'm you know, overly thrilled to get in boxes to say. Next up is something interesting. Actually, looks like a similar design to the. Oh, it's a bag. Right, it's a tote bag, but it's got a very similar design to the Alien vs Predator one that was on the T-shirt last month. But it's interesting. It's something I could, you know, actually take with me, and you know, if when I go to like Forbidden Planet or whatever, and I get some graphic novels or computer games from CEX or Game, I could take this actually and, you know, put them in it. It's interesting. It's actually a very nice bag. I do like that actually. See, this is what I was on about, like quirky items, which you don't usually get in these boxes. You know, in other boxes, I mean, you get them in these boxes, Geek Gear boxes, but not other boxes, and I like these. That's going to actually come in handy. And again, it's a similar colour to the gaming T-shirt. And I do like that. It looks like there's one more item. That's a print. And it's a Deadpool print. It's a nice item. Seen this image before on something. I think it was in a calendar, a Deadpool calendar, this image appeared. But it does seem smaller. Yeah, these are like Geek Gear prints, and this month it's a smaller print. It is nice. It is a nice print. I do like that, but it is smaller. Yeah, so yeah, it's a good print. So let's check the little leaflet out. Next month's box int is Star Wars. And the YouTube spotlight, this month's featured YouTube channel is The Potter Collector. So check that guy out there, The Potter Collector. Check him out on YouTube. So it's got the Good Old Days t-shirt. This t-shirt is a throwback to those retro games that any old school gamer will have played. How many game elements can you see? That's priced up at £11.99. See, they used to have t-shirts at, you know, $9.99, and now they've gone up to like $11.99, and I'm not quite sure about that. But anyway, it's got the exclusive Dragon Egg bath bomb, £5.99. That's the worst item. That's terrible. It looks decent there, but in real, you know, when it's in your hand and that, it just looks crap. Not impressed with that item. Exclusive Aliens tote bag, priced at £9.99. This month we have included a tote bag that is out of this world. Go shopping in extraterrestrial style with this bag, made from durable cotton material and can hold the equivalent of 10 litres of goods. Licensed Sea of Thieves Pirate for All Eternity gold coin, priced at £14.99. Exclusive Marvel Deadpool print. This month we bring you this awesome print of everyone's favourite merc with a mouth. This Deadpool print will be a great addition to any comic book fan's collection. That's priced at £4.99. Exclusive Universal Monsters limited edition pin set, priced at £7.99. And last but not least, the Why So Serious t-shirt, and that's at £11.99 as well. This month's t-shirt shouldn't be taken too serious. It said that if you stare at it too long, you can hear a madman laughing hysterically. It's a decent t-shirt. It's not the best one I've seen of the Joker. They're good. The print. My favourite item though is this tote bag. It will actually come in handy. Although these handles seem a little bit small, you know, you'll be carrying it around like that. But yeah, it'll come in handy. You know, it'll save me a couple of, you know, a bit of change here and there when I can't be bothered getting plastic bags when I go shopping. So yeah, I do like that. The print's good. Not sure about getting 2 t-shirts in, you know, a box. Maybe if one was long sleeve or a, you know, I don't know, a sweatshirt or something like that. Maybe, but I can't really say I'm impressed much with this box either. I don't know what it is. It's that dragon egg. It just looks really, really crap. I'm not keen on the fact that there's 2 t-shirts. I'm just not keen on the lack of effort of the box now. It's like they just can't be bothered, Geek Gear. It does feel like this box has been slowly going down the pan for the past few months, which is a really, really huge shame because it used to be the best box out there, to be honest. I'm gonna stick with it for a few more months just to see what the plan is basically with Geek Gear. So yeah, let me know down below, guys. What's your favourite item in the box? What's your opinion on the current state of Geek Gear? Have you subscribed or have you unsubscribed from Geek Gear? You know, have you cancelled the subscription? Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. Like and share my channel, and remember, stay heroic.